Hey everybody, today I'm going to do my August favorites, and I'm just going to go through it really quick because my last video, this is my second video, and so my last video that I made, I'm sorry that the camera is moving, but the last video it was like 23 minutes long. I was like, oh my god, why is it that long? And I got mad, and so I'm going to start this all over. And so yeah, my beauty favorites are my Master Duet eyeliner, and I got this recommended from Miss Garmazelli. I don't really know how to say her name. I know I really suck at YouTube names and I don't know how to say them really well, but this works pretty well even though I don't really wear eyeliner that much. So another thing is my 4 nail polishes. And I got these, and this works really good. Like, it's the size of this Sally Hansen one. They're the same size, and this really works really good. And this works really good. This is my first white nail polish, so I tried this on, and it's like really good. And it's very cheap. It's only $1, and it works pretty well. So I should give that a thumbs up and recommend it to you because they have a ton of. It's by Wet n Wild, and it works really good. So I recommend you to go get one of those nail polishes, not just that certain nail polish, but nail polish that costs $1. So I got these 3 nail polishes at Five Below, and this is a minty color in there from Funky Fingers, and it's a minty color. And this is the most cutest color ever because I'm getting a lot of compliments of this color. And yeah, got this other color, and it's like neon orange with a dab of I think a dab of pink neon color, and this is really cute. No, it's probably not going to work for the ball, but okay. And so this is by the Art Club. It's just this neon pink for a nail art. And the next thing is by EOS Lip Balm, and this is my first one, and I love it. And I can just like slap it on, and I'm done. Just put a little overcoat over it, and I'm done. I love it. I absolutely love it. And that's all my makeup things. Moving on to my hair things, I got these 2 bows at Claire's, and they had a buy one get one 50% off, and so I saw this on Mac Barbie 07, and she had this. I was like, oh my god, that's so cute, and so I went to go buy it. It's so cute. And I got this white one because like I only have 2. I have 4. But I only have a silver one. I don't have it right now with me, but I only have those colors because those are mostly the things that match with some of my clothes, so that's why I only have those. Next is the Suave Max Hold Hairspray. I absolutely love this thing, but I do not like love it. Like I love it because I don't like it because like it dries a lot, but I love it because I could just like brush it and the curls all gone, and it just feels really soft. The next thing is my Big Sexy Hairspray. I know it looks like the Detangler or something like that, but it's a hairspray, and I love it, and I like how it comes in the packaging in this kind of red. And yeah, it just leaves your hairs really soft, and it's fast drying, intense hold, and no aerosol hairspray. Non-aerosol hairspray, so I really love it. The next thing is, this is not just my monthly favorite, this is my thing that I wear constantly, is my Jergens Original Scent Cherry Almond Moisturizer. And what it does, it's long-lasting moisturizer for beautifully soft skin, so it literally leaves your skin really soft and serious. Next thing is, so those are all my hair favorites, my beauty favorites, And moving on to clothes, I have this shirt and I really love it, and this is No Regrets and Just Love. And I have this other shirt, it has Minnie Mouse on it and it's super cute. I got it at JCPenney. Next thing is my sweater that says love is all you need, and it's really cute and it's like really thin. And next thing is this peace sign. No, it's not peace, I mean cross. And it's super cute, and yeah, it's pretty big for a size small. And I got it at Delia's, and it's super cute. And the next thing is this skirt that I got at Forever 21, and it's so cute, and I wear it constantly because it's so cute. But I know I have to wash it, and I really get sad about that, but it's cute. Next thing is 3 pair of jeans that I have. I got this jeans and I love it because it's skinny, and those are mostly all the jeans that I wear. Like, they're just all skinny, and yeah, those are mostly all the jeans, and I love it because it has like this, I think it's fake or real leather, I don't really know, and it's really cute. I got it at JCPenney. Next thing is I like Aeropostale jeans because they're super cute, and I like how they're skinny, and this is the most darkest pair of pants that I have, jeans. The blue, so I really love it because it's the darkest thing, and I could wear this to school. Really, I'm serious. I could wear this to school. Anyways, the next thing is my high-waisted shorts that I got, and I think I got it at JCPenney, and they're so cute, and I like how it has like this little light, and then it goes back to dark, so I love it. I love that. The next thing is others that I have. Others that I have is this 5 for $5. I think it was at Bath and Body Works, and they're super cute, my sanitizers, and I got it in Crimson Plum, Boredom Peach, I think that's what it says, I don't know, Plain Chiffon, I think that's what it's called, Vanilla Cupcake. This is my most favorite one. It smells so good. It smells like Vanilla Cupcake, obviously it does. And this Heirloom Pear. It's really weird names. But anyways, moving on. It's my candle. I love this candle. It's by Better Homes, and it's Heirloom Magnolia Blossom, and it just smells so good. You should give this a go. It's pretty cheap. It's like $1. It's like $3 or something like that. But $3 for this big candle, that's a good cost. And yeah, that's mostly it for my August favorites. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, even though this is like, I'm starting really fresh, and even though this is like 7 minutes, it's about to be 8 minutes long, and I try to make it less than 10 minutes because the other one turned out really bad and it was like 23 minutes. I was like, what? So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Bye!